The topic of today's video is how to add subtitles in DaVinci Resolve. So first thing, make sure you are in the Edit tab. Then you can just right click next to your Audio tab and say Add Subtitle Track. Now you've got a subtitle track right over here. And we need the right hand section tab here by Inspect to be open. So if that's not open, just click on Inspector, it should pop up. And then say Create Caption. And then over here you can type in your subtitle. It shows you the exact times where it's going to pop up and so forth. Click on Customize Caption and you can change your fonts, colors, sizes, alignment, position, and so forth. Now this is the way for the free users of DaVinci Resolve to do it. Now if you are on the pro version of DaVinci Resolve, all you need to do is make sure that you are clicked on your timeline audio and then go to the top and click on timeline, and you want to say create subtitles from audio, and you'll see here it's only for the pro version. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.